Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to install the Dawn theme in your Shopify store. Let's come to the computer screen, and here is the admin panel of Shopify. You have to go to online store, and here you will find a theme option. Currently my Shopify has refresh theme and I'm gonna install Dawn theme. So you have to click add themes, and here you will find our option visit theme store. Here we go. Now you have to search here Dawn. Click this. Here we go. Now you have to try theme. Here is my store. Add theme. Now you can see Dawn theme is here, and if you want to publish this theme or you want to make this theme current theme, then you have to publish it. Actually it's downloading and installing. It will take some time. It's done now. You have to publish it. Publish. Now you can see Dawn theme is your current theme now. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.